In today's video, we will be looking at a condition in which the lining of the digestive tract becomes more permeable or leaky than it should be. It is called leaky gut. The lining of the intestines normally acts as a barrier, allowing nutrients to enter the bloodstream while preventing harmful substances, such as toxins and undigested food particles, from entering. The tight junctions between the cells that make up the intestinal lining become damaged or weakened in the case of leaky gut. This allows larger molecules to pass through the intestinal lining and enter the bloodstream, such as bacteria, toxins, and undigested food particles. When these substances enter the bloodstream, they can activate the body's immune system, causing inflammation and potential health problems. We can look at 5 foods that may help improve gut health. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more health-related content. First, let's begin with bone broth. Simmering animal bones and connective tissues, which are high in collagen, yields bone broth. Consumption of collagen-rich bone broth may aid in the repair and regeneration of the weakened intestinal barrier. Gelatin is formed when collagen from bones and connective tissue breaks down. Gelatin contains amino acids such as glutamine and glycine. Glutamine is well known for nourishing the cells that line the intestines, thereby aiding in the repair and strengthening of the gut barrier. Glycine has anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid in the reduction of gut inflammation. It can reduce inflammation, soothe irritation, and promotes healing intestinal lining. Bone broth can support a healthy gut microbiome and contribute to overall gut health by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. And here's a simple bone broth soup recipe for you. To prepare this broth, you need these ingredients. Place all ingredients in a large pot. Combine all of the ingredients into the pot. Bring the water to a boil. Cook for 12 to 24 hours on a low heat. The longer it cooks, the better the flavor and the more nutritious it becomes. Set aside the broth to cool. Remove the solids and strain it into a large container. Let's now look at how fermented vegetables can help. Sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles are fermented vegetables that promote the growth of good bacteria. It may help with conditions such as leaky gut syndrome. According to Dr. David S. Ludwig, a professor of nutrition at Harvard School of Public Health, fermented foods are preserved using an age-old process that not only increases the food's shelf life and nutritional value, but can also provide your body with a dose of healthy probiotics, which are live microorganisms essential to healthy digestion. They may aid in improving the barrier function of the gut and reducing inflammation. Enzymes found in fermented vegetables can help with nutrient breakdown and absorption. They may reduce the workload on the gut and promote overall gut health by promoting better digestion. Fermentation can also improve the bioavailability of certain nutrients in vegetables, allowing the body to absorb them more easily. This can help people with leaky gut who have trouble absorbing nutrients. Anti-nutrients found in vegetables, such as phytic acid and lectins, can also be broken down through fermentation. These anti-nutrients have the potential to impede nutrient absorption while also contributing to gut inflammation. Fermentation has the potential to lower anti-nutrient levels and make vegetables more gut-friendly. Next, let's see how coconut product could benefit our health. Coconut products, such as coconut oil, coconut milk, and coconut water, are frequently thought to be beneficial for people with leaky gut syndrome due to a variety of potential benefits. Coconut oil is high in medium-chain triglycerides (MCTs), which are easily digested and absorbed by the body. MCTs provide an easily accessible source of energy and are less likely to cause gut inflammation. The antimicrobial properties of lauric acid, which is abundant in coconut oil, may aid in the fight against harmful bacteria, fungi, and parasites in the gut, promoting a healthier gut microbiome. Coconut oil contains fatty acids such as caprylic acid, which has been shown to support gut lining integrity and potentially reduce permeability. Coconut water, obtained from young coconuts, is a natural source of electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and sodium. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance are critical for overall gut health. Here's a simple recipe for coconut milk. Soak the shredded coconut in a bowl and cover it with hot water and leave it for 15 minutes. Blend the coconut and water for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture becomes creamy and well blended. Then strain the mixture. Transfer the coconut milk into an airtight container and refrigerate it. Consume it within 3 to 5 days. With that, let's switch gears and see how omega-3 fatty acids contribute to our gut health. Omega-3 fatty acids, which can be found in fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and certain types of algae, have been linked to a variety of health benefits, including potential benefits for leaky gut. Omega-3 fatty acids are effective anti-inflammatories. They can help reduce inflammation in your gut, which may be contributing to damage to your gut lining, and thus help repair it. According to a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, omega-3 fatty acids can improve the function of the gut barrier, which can help prevent substances from leaking out of your intestines. The study also mentions that omega-3 fatty acids may influence the composition of the gut microbiota, encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. Maintaining the integrity of the gut barrier requires a healthy gut microbiota. Due to their role in cell regeneration and function, omega-3 fatty acids may also aid in the healing of the gut lining after damage. Finally, let's look at how prebiotics could contribute to heal leaky gut. Prebiotics are types of dietary fiber that essentially serve as food for beneficial bacteria in the gut. The gut microbiota ferments these fibers, resulting in the production of short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like acetate, propionate, and butyrate. According to research, prebiotics can aid in the maintenance of a healthy balance of gut bacteria by promoting the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria. This is significant because certain types of bacteria can contribute to a leaky gut, whereas beneficial bacteria help to keep the gut lining intact. SCFAs are formed when gut bacteria ferment prebiotic fibers. Butyrate, one of these SCFAs, is the primary energy source for cells in the colon and is essential for the health and integrity of the gut lining. Butyrate has anti-inflammatory properties and promotes the tightening of cell junctions in the gut lining, both of which can help prevent or repair leaky gut. Prebiotics can also help to support the immune system, which is important in keeping the gut lining healthy and preventing leaky gut. Prebiotics can be found in foods such as garlic, onions, asparagus, bananas, chicory root, artichokes, and whole grains. However, it's important to remember that managing conditions like a leaky gut often requires a comprehensive approach that includes diet, lifestyle, and possibly medical interventions. Always consult with a healthcare provider when making decisions about your health. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on health-related topics. Tell us in the comments section about your experience with leaky gut and how you overcame it. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.